We'll guide you through how to scale down your resolution in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they need to reduce video resolution to improve performance, decrease file size, or meet platform requirements. Lowering resolution helps videos export faster and play smoothly on less powerful devices. It is also useful when preparing content for social media, sharing online, or managing limited storage space efficiently. To begin, launch the Premiere Pro app on your computer and wait for it to fully open. Once the program is ready, choose an existing file from your projects so you can start working on a sequence that is already created. After opening your project, click on your timeline sequences to make sure the correct sequence is selected and active. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and choose the sequence option from the menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, pick Sequence Settings to access the configuration panel. Inside the settings window, go to the General tab where you can adjust the main sequence properties. Set your editing mode to custom so you can freely modify the resolution and other parameters. Then, pick a time base that suits your needs, or simply leave it at the default setting if you're unsure. After that, make your way to the Video Settings section within the same window. Here, you will organize your frame size to scale down your resolution. Begin by changing the horizontal frame size to a value lower than your original resolution. Then, set the vertical frame size to a lower value as well, making sure it matches your desired output proportion. Once you have adjusted the frame size, go to the Video Previews tab to update the preview settings. In this section, change the width so it matches the horizontal frame size you just set. Also, make sure to change the height so it matches the vertical frame size accordingly. This ensures that your preview files are consistent with your new resolution. After confirming all the changes, click OK to apply the settings and close the window. Your sequence resolution is now successfully scaled down from the original project settings. You can continue editing as needed with the new resolution in place.